Hey guys, it's me Joshua from Fun with Joshua, and I just got in the mail my Lego order. It's 700 pieces of Legos I ordered. Yes, 700. If you can see, 300 of these, and I got some more, but I used them all to do the room. And 300 of these. Yes, 300 of these. And then 50 and 50 of same color but as a 1x2. Today I want to build the outline of the house, all this white stuff, and then I want to build a fence right here. That's what I want to do. Let's get started. So, first I want to outline the house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do, let's say, where should I start? Right here. Right here. One sec. And today, my topic that I want to talk about is another YouTube channel. My mom has a YouTube channel named, what's that name? My mom's YouTube channel is named Everyone and Then Some. And she has 6 subscribers. She just made her first money with 6 subscribers. That is 2 cents. 2 cents, yeah. For a starter, instead of 1 cent, it's 2. Instead of 0 cents, it's 2. That's actually pretty good, I must admit. And I'm putting down these pieces. Yes. Hang it. If you don't like that, then go away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline the house, like I said. I need to find me a bunch of pieces. Hold on. Sorry. Where is it? So, we are doing Lent. And if you don't know what Lent is, it is for 40 days, starting after Ash Wednesday. It's for 40 days where you go out without something for that amount of time, for basically 40 days. Yeah, that's it. And you want to try not to fail, because then you're kind of not succeeding in Lent. It's kind of meaning like Jesus gave his life for you. And so you are going to give something back to him. Not just your life, not just for like your whole entire life, but for 40 days. Hopefully that's what it means. Hopefully. I know, right? And so, as you can see, it's coming together. I might be running out. Oh no. Please tell me I'm not running out. Please. Please, Daddy. Okay, and then I want to do this. Yep. Let's see. There we go. And yeah, what I'm doing for it is I'm giving up TV. Some of you, that might be super hard. Some of you be like, I don't even watch TV. I sometimes watch TV, but usually not that often. So this is going to be pretty easy for me. I'm not going to say it's like, oh, I can do that for a whole year. Probably not, but I could try it, but I might fail. Yeah. I don't know, I'm trying to save up for a new Xbox, because my Xbox is so old that it's old. But I'm going for 80 bucks. It's a 4.5 star rating on this Xbox. It's pretty good. Yes, it's pretty good. And right now I'm almost done with this side of the house. I'll just get a few more. I'm gonna have to like. My Oh, my arm's starting to hurt. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so I got this part done. Now I'm starting on this part. Now I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do all this. So, I almost got the walls done. Yay! I almost got the walls done. So, next episode of this, I'm going to do an update instead of a build. Because that seems to take up a lot of video and storage and stuff like that. So, I'm going to do an update. I might build, like, my next update is going to be on furniture. Yes, furniture that I built. But it's not going to be, like, in the house yet. It's just going to be outside the house. Outside. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Outside. So scary. Oh, my God. I'm just not, guys. So, I almost got the wall, the outside wall done. Let's continue. Ow. My. Oh, my. Ow. There we go. Oh no, please tell me I'm not, my mom is not going to order me any more pieces. So this better be enough pieces. Good thing I'm going to use a different color for the next set. Yay. There we go. Please, 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 please. Please be in it. I don't know if you've heard of the new Vine. It's called I Love You and I Miss You Vine. It goes like this. I love you and I miss you. And then when I do 2 cars go by racing. I love you and I miss you. So funny. I know you're done. I love you and I miss you. It's super funny though. Oh, everybody I showed it to laughs at it. Everybody. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Oh no, I think I'm out of these. Nope. Oh, I still got a few more. Yes. Blah 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 blah. Please give me more, please. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I'm moving on to these. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, if you want to text me the one you can use and I can Bluetooth it to the laptop.
Yes, cool.
Right.
Okay, now we need to do it. Good.
If
I got it right here.
The one
Yay.
you want to use, you can text it to me.
Boom. There we go. I got the wall. I got the wall.
But I don't know where it's supposed to go.
I will see you later, guys.
Alright, sounds good.
I'm gonna like walk around. It might be a little longer because I have to walk around to stop the camera, but I'll see you guys later. Peace. Ow.